Adventure time! Like,
are we gonna vlog this weekend?
Elena's not prepared for this.
No way.
Do we have a vlog going? What is this?
We do. Elena's here.
hello!
Hi. You guys are so long. How are you?
Oh, here we are. Okay, parked on Millionaire's Row. That's right. I'm waiting. All right, millionaire. I'm here. I'm available. Single lady. We're ready. Already, these views are absolutely stunning. These waterfalls are magnificent. We're just getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. That's kind of unfortunate, but I guess that's part of nature, right? We're just a snack, what can I say? Caitlin. A quick moment for our sponsor, Scrub Daddy. Just kidding, I'm a paid supporter. We love Scrub Daddy. All right, it's getting pretty uphill. We're sweating, breathing pretty heavy. The heart rate's up. We're feeling good. How we feeling? We're feeling good. Let's get a whoop whoop. Whoop whoop.
The Enchantments.
Yeah, that's crazy. We're on the Enchantments.
Okay, we made it to the trail side.
Woo! We found the trail. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a toilet. You got this. One right after the other. We're taking a little water break. Make sure to hydrate. There's mosquitoes all around me. Hydrate or dihydrate. Facts.
See it? I can check it.
So there's just a bunch of boulders. Which way do we go? Elena says that way.
Do you see it? No?
We lost the trail. But look at this view.
Definitely not one. Evan, don't laugh. That's what you said. I know. That's why I'm laughing.
You good?
Oh my god, those kids were swimming for a while.
Yeah, that's too much. Too much.
You can
It
get to
gets
those
better.
rocks and.
No, it's okay. We gotta wait 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Why 3 minutes?
They do this every time.
Oh yeah.
So this set is from Woven. Link below for my coupon code. 20% off. It's all made from recycled water bottles, so you can make sustainable sexy. All right, so this is a water bottle that you can literally just scoop up the water and drink from it. Hiking hacks. Hiking hack number 2. Filter there. Woohoo!
Squeeze it out.
But yeah,
Sponsor us. So we took a little spin, did some little jumps. We're really cold, and now we're tanning off, getting dry, and then we're gonna head back down the mountain. We have a 4-hour drive to Spokane, and then we are headed to party at a wedding. Woo, woo, woo. Where are we going? Alright, so important hiking tip for all of my new hikers. It's hiking etiquette to yield to the people coming up. So if you're walking downhill, you pull over to the side, you let them walk by, because it's a lot harder to walk uphill. So we want to give them the right of way. Okay, this way back is a lot longer than I thought, and I remember. Sheesh, I'm getting tired. I just want to eat a protein cookie. Okay, zap me to protein cookie. Ah! Are we there yet?
Oh no.
Woohoo! She sees the car! She's gone. We're there! Now, the pre-hike, hike, post-hike, hike back to the car.
I know. We did park a little bit away. So, but it's downhill.
My feet hurt.
Oh, my feet.
Woo! We made it! Ah! Now protein cookie time. This wet, soggy protein cookie hits.
Okay, we are leaving the trailhead.
Woo, 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 woo.
And now we are gonna go